guys, Joe for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a mule review and unboxing of the Dr. Martens Jorge 2. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank the subscribers. New and old, without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at the Dr. Martens Jorge 2 sandal or mule. Well, it's both. It's a mule and a sandal. And we got this in the UK size 7, it's European 41, and this is US 8. We got this in the warm tan colorway, and really excited to show you guys. So this is the Dr. Martens mule right here. Gorgeous materials being used, premium. And you know, you've got all that British heritage with it being Dr. Martens. So, starting with the outsole, so you've got a PVC outsole, hugely recognizable if you know what Dr. Martens outsoles look like. And this kind of materials are used in a lot of Dr. Martens shoes. I didn't say all of it, but it's recognizable again. You can see it in tons of their reviews. We've done many Dr. Martens reviews in the past, so do check those out as well. You're gonna recognize the outsole. Again, looking at the midsole unit, it's the same PVC as well, but you've also got that iconic detail of the yellow stitching right there. That's there to welt the upper to obviously the outsole. And the upper itself is in this warm tan leather. It's gorgeous to touch. You know, you've got that premium materials being used right here. And essentially with it being a mule, easy access to get your feet in. You've got this Velcro system right there. It's this buckle strap at the front and the Velcro at the heel. So let's get this out, sorry. So you know, easy access point for your feet. And you can see it, it's quite exposed as it is. You've got a shearling lined insole, and you know, the lining of the leather as well is shearling as well. It's there to keep your feet warm, with it being, well, time of this recording, you're close to winter here in the UK. So you want to keep your feet nice and warm. And the shearling is faux fur actually. Go right there. Very quick review. I mean, this is essentially Dr. Martens' answer to the Boston from Birkenstock, and I don't see it being as the killer of the Boston style, but this is an alternative. If you're looking for something that isn't Birkenstock, or you're not a massive fan of Birkenstock, I highly recommend these Jorge sandals from Dr. Martens. And if you're a massive Dr. Martens fan, get yourself a pair. These are really comfortable. I'm gonna show you when I do go on feet review, but this has that classic DM's DNA, but for the Mule Boys generation. So I'm really excited to try these on. More that footage of me trying these Jorge's on for you. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Dr. Martens fit. When it comes to Dr. Martens shoes in general, I do get a UK size 7. These fit perfectly. I was a bit apprehensive because of where my heel was, because I feel like it was sticking out, but Jeff assured me behind the camera. Big shout out Jeff. Shout out Jeff in the comment section below. My heels are where they need to be actually, so it's all right. Very comfortable, I must say, because of the lining. That's shearling, as you can see, right there. And they're pretty cool on as well. Again, it's for those people that aren't into your birkenstocks, or you want something alternative to the Birkenstock Boston, or you're a massive Dr. Martens fan, or you're a fan of these in general. Whatever it may be, these are a really good mule to have. Shout out the Mule Boys, I know you're watching. Don't forget to put me on your Instagram page, it'll be good. So shout out Mule Boys if you're watching, and we know that you are. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.